Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In this video, we're going to focus on how to do a search for a top loan originator. So from the dashboard, we're going to look at the left menu, and under top loan originators, we're going to click on search. So let's say that we remember that we're looking for a Mr. Smith, perhaps a Mr. Patrick Smith. So I type in the name and hit enter, and from here the platform starts identifying all of the Patrick Smiths that are loan originators, and it returns our list. Okay, now what to do? We have several Patrick Smiths, as we can see from the list. Well, if I remember correctly, then I can, as I look at the list, I can say, oh, you know what? It was actually David Patrick Smith from Cherry Creek. And so this is the person I want to see. So in order to look at David's portfolio, I can just click on View next to his NMLS ID. And here a little pop-up button shows up and asks me, hey, for what state or for what location? And I'm going to click on California because I remember that he was from California. And then finally, once I select California, I can select my date range. So I'm going to click on what did Patrick Smith or David Patrick Smith do last year, and then simply click on refresh data. So now I can see that David Patrick Smith, NMLS 243148, actually originated 47 residential properties for just under $20 million last year, with an average loan size and average loans per month. And if I scroll down, this represents all of his transactions, all 47 of his transactions in 2021. And again, if I so choose, I could export this to Excel. That's how you search for an individual loan officer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.